For many dentists, it has been over 10 to 15 years since they have seen any type of significant fee increase from dental insurance companies. In today's video, I want to unpack the dental insurance fee stagnation and also talk about some of the dynamics that are at play for the profession at large based on the inflationary pressure combined with the fact that we don't control our fees and our fees have been flat again for over 10 to 15 years, depending on what state you are in and the areas that you serve. So breaking down the stagnant reimbursement rates, most major dental insurance companies like a Delta Dental, MetLife, United Concordia have not consistently increased their reimbursement rates for dental over the past decade. Some, again, over the past 2 decades. And then when you take in the inflation disconnect, and in dentistry, it has been even more compounded than the average CPI, the dental hygienist shortage, and just the labor market in general in the professional services has really been disrupted through COVID. As everybody knows, with supply and demand, when there's a limited supply, demand gets way more of a premium. So the wage spiral has been very real in our industry in particular, because again, like we're talking about today, we don't control our pricing. So the impact on dentistry is the profit margins are obviously shrinking, especially for solo and small group practices. This has driven DSO consolidation, who can negotiate better rates due to their size sometimes, and in particular, just have more dry powder and are able to use credit in a bigger way to kind of ride out this storm. And then also it has led to a lot of doctors and dentists dropping their insurance plans and going to a fee-for-service model. Unfortunately, the person that loses in that equation is the patient. They've been paying for their dental insurance. They want to use their dental insurance, and it's very disruptive when their dentist drops said dental insurance company because the reimbursement rates just don't pencil anymore. As we unpack the specific Indiana dental insurance breakdown, as you guys know, Lad Dental Group only serves Indiana families. We are only in this state, and that is our intention. Our operational density is very important to us, and we never want to outgrow our, again, capital. In today's day and age, leverage is so important, and you got to keep a really close eye on that, because you can get over levered in a heartbeat in today's very margin compressed environment. So Medicaid fee schedules. So in the state of Indiana, the Indiana Health Coverage Programs provide fee schedules for Medicaid services, which apply for fee-for-service claims as well as minimum rates for IHCP managed care health plans. Delta Dental fee schedules. Delta Dental reviews its PPO fee schedules annually and updates them accordingly. However, specific details about the extent of these updates or historical changes in reimbursement rates are not publicly disclosed. At Lad Dental Group, we have been in practice for almost 50 years now. We have not seen a significant increase from the Delta reimbursement rates, and we have both Premier and PPO providers still. We have not seen a significant increase in fee schedules in over 20 years. From a historical context, this will be interesting for you guys, and we'll summarize the video here. A study published in 2003 noted that no increase in dental fees had occurred in Indiana Medicaid programs since the significant increase in 1998. This suggests there have been periods of extended stagnation in fee schedules. I think that goes without saying, and a lot of the private insurance companies look at the public insurance companies to base their rates on. So the fact that the state has not increased their rates has put zero pressure on the commercial players. So it has been a massive margin compression, and now that we're talking about inflation, that's going to be another price that we take on the chin. Dental technology continues to get more expensive. Just the cost of goods sold, the cost of doing business continues to go north, and we don't control our prices. So comment down below, let me know what you guys are curious and learning more about, and I hope everybody has a great rest of their week. Cheers.